Hey y'all, this is Carol with For McForce, and yeah, I'm having a hard time today. Just seems like everything is taking longer and harder, and it's like obstacle course. So finally, I have the carpet pulled up in the hallway. This is what I got done. This is what I'm working on. Pulling this up. I took all the strip molding out. I just hope I can get the carpet out of this room. And because this is so dark, I still have to do this whole room to finish the second, third. One half done. All right, y'all. Finally got this carpet up. I have all the molding removed. Still need to get the lights. Another day hard at it. This is the kitchen. That's the wall and the venting system that was hidden in the wall. So this is the kitchen. This is where we repaired the floor joist, put new flooring. It's nice and sturdy now. And so there was a wall there, and our measurements for our layout wasn't adding up. So we come to find out that the wall actually goes out here instead of here. So yeah, we have to remove this wall, and then we have to add all the side of that, reframe it so that we could put sheeting. Because as you could see, this is the cement board, and that's it. They didn't put no OSB board on here. So this is one side. We still have to remove the frame wall. So yeah, lots to do. Here, this is the other side of that wall. We also have to remove that. And this one. And that will complete that side of the wall and reframe it. You want me to hold it?
It's glued because there's a 2x6 there.
You just...
Yeah, there's a 2x6 and it's glued all the way around it, where that thermostat is.
Yep, I see. That's what we got so far. Hey, Luna. Hey. Oh. She's so excited to see me. Hi, Mama. Oh. Oh.
What'd you say?
That piece.
The insulation is off the wall, and now we gotta try to beat down the thick drywall in the back so that it could be open like this wall right here. Top part is out. Now we're working on the bottom. It's all done. Now we just gotta remove the pieces from inside. I don't like doing it like that. That's what it's looking like so far, y'all. Look at this. That's what we got so far. And we have actually reached a stopping point. So this was the duct system in this side. We removed it. Goes all the way up to the roofing. We found out that we're gonna have to replace the wood right there and also at the bottom. So yay, more work. Oh boy. Okay, so stopping point for today. We got the first layer of wall on this side. We have to take the framework apart tomorrow sometime maybe. And then the drywall and that back wall. And same thing over here. It's already been removed here. Ceiling has to be fixed in this room. Floor has to be fixed. There's more carpet to be pulled up on that side. Tell me what you're doing.
I'm taking the pieces out of the wood
And why are you doing that?
so we can reuse it.
So we can reuse them, right? For $3 a piece. So if we get the staples out and give them a good sanding, we could reuse these